We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a in-sink aerator, Badger 5. It's a half-horse garbage disposal, and comes with a brand new line cord, electrical cord. So that's installed. The old one, back there you can see the waste coming out of the wall. It's got an 1.5" medium sleeve 90. The old assembly had another 90, and then it came straight out into the disposal. It was kind of a conflict, you can see, with the weight on the faucet, that weight right there. So we cut it, put a 60 on it, and got the line out of the way. Otherwise it was coming straight in, and that weight, every time you pull on the faucet, it hits and it gets stuck. And so now that's out of the way. The only thing it will hit on the way up is the back side of the sink. And so when you go to pull that up, that weight does hit right there. Sorry about lack of light. Right there. Right there. So you can see that guy, that's the sink, and that's not our sink, so there's nothing we can do about it. But anyways, it pulls out pretty far. We'll drop that weight down just a little bit, actually, just to help you out a little. Everything else is yours down here, all the plumbing, just our disposal. We did give you a new mounting bracket underneath, and then we reused your oil rub bronze flange. And of course, we got you a new faucet here. It's the Wee Wee oil rub bronze. Sorry about the light. Wee Wee oil rub bronze, way oil rub bronze faucet. And so these flow real good. We've used those in our own home, and so that's good. We're looking down here. We saw a drip a couple minutes ago. I do recommend that you caulk in around the perimeter of this sink. You can see where the granite sits down in the sink. There's nothing to seal it, so just some clear silicone. Shoot it back in there. You can see all the water right there. So anyways, get that sealed, or have someone come out and seal it for you. We don't have any silicone with us, so just get a tube of caulking from Lowe's or Home Depot and caulk that in real good. We've run the disposal. It works. Water's draining correctly, and we're following up here. No dripping down here. There was one little drip, and now it's gone. So anyways, everything here looks good outside of that. This installation is done.